Today, I'm breaking down a powerful Senate speech where Senator John Kennedy tackled one issue affecting nearly every American: cost of living. But instead of focusing only on taxes or inflation, Kennedy argued that the real solution may lie somewhere else: stopping fraud inside the Medicaid system. His message was direct, controversial, and aimed squarely at how taxpayer money is being spent. Kennedy opened by acknowledging what many Americans already feel: life is expensive. He argued that families struggling with groceries, housing, and bills need relief, and traditionally that relief comes through lower taxes and lower interest rates. But Kennedy warned that cutting taxes alone could increase the national deficit unless Washington finds ways to spend less. That led him to one word: fraud. According to Kennedy, fighting fraud in Medicaid could free up massive amounts of money and ease financial pressure on taxpayers. Kennedy made it clear he supports Medicaid and the idea that Americans who cannot afford medical care should still receive treatment. He stressed that Medicaid is a lifeline for millions and praised the principle behind the program. But his concern was the cost. The senator noted that Medicaid spending approaches nearly $1 trillion annually, with the federal government paying the majority of the bill. He argued that when spending grows year after year, fraud and waste become impossible to ignore. And if you enjoy straightforward congressional news and political hearing breakdowns, click the subscribe button and stay updated with every major story. Kennedy then shifted toward oversight and accountability. He argued that states administer Medicaid and therefore carry major responsibility for preventing abuse. Using examples from Louisiana, Minnesota, and California, he claimed some states fail to properly verify eligibility or monitor providers. Kennedy pointed to reports of individuals receiving benefits despite allegedly not qualifying and argued that weak oversight opens the door to abuse. His broader argument was simple: taxpayer-funded healthcare should help patients, not fraudsters. California became Kennedy's biggest example. He questioned whether Medicaid dollars are being stretched beyond healthcare into programs he argued deserve greater scrutiny. The senator highlighted reports involving services and expanded benefits that sparked debate over what Medicaid should and should not cover. Kennedy argued that when states rely heavily on federal matching funds, there is less pressure to control costs and stronger oversight becomes necessary. He called for aggressive fraud investigations and praised efforts by federal agencies to crack down on abuse. Kennedy's message was blunt: if Washington wants to lower costs, reduce financial pressure, and protect taxpayer dollars, fraud prevention must become a priority. But critics argue the issue is more complicated than simple waste and abuse. What do you think? Necessary oversight or political messaging? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.